Hello everyone, my name is Sant Kumar and welcome to this complete course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. In this series, I'm going to guide you step by step through everything you need to know to become a confident and professional video editor. Whether you want to edit for YouTube, social media, client projects, or even short films, this course is designed to give you practical, real-world editing skills. Premiere Pro 2026 comes with powerful new AI tools, improved performance, smarter workflows, advanced color correction, better caption systems, and professional export controls. And in this course, we'll explore all of it in detail. And you'll learn how to organize projects professionally, how to cut and trim like a pro, how to work with audio properly, how to use effects and transitions effectively, how to color correct using Lumetri scopes, how to use AI tools like Generative Extend and Object Mask, how to create captions, and finally, how to export videos correctly for different platforms. But this is not just about learning buttons and tools. You will understand how editing actually works. We'll work on real footage together so you can practice while learning. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll explain everything clearly. And if you already have experience, this course will help you refine your skills and work faster and smarter. So if you're ready to master Adobe Premiere Pro 2026, let's begin this journey together.